In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid's Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. This one. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap on a note icon at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you wish to. And when you finish, click at the top right corner, then bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and lastly, just decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!